No, a goldfish does not have a 3-second memory. No, the North Star is not the brightest star. No, coal doesn't turn into diamonds. Surprised? There are literally hundreds of more pieces of information where that came from in my book, Facts That Aren't True. Click the link in the description to learn more.
Hey, Mr.
Bro.
Peterson, we love that you're slow as hell and you're going straight to the homonyms, right? Which is kind of
Called
crazy.
ad hominems. You're cutting out. Are you in a tunnel? Are you at Dollar Tree right now? Do you have Dollar Tree Wi-Fi to go along with your Dollar Tree perm?
Watch, he's gonna mute me again. Mute me again, Mr. Peterson.
I'm not muting you. You have Dollar Tree Wi-Fi.
You're low key. Low key, yeah. Mr. Peterson.
Bro, why is your connection so bad?
Someone's
why
mad.
is your connection so?
See, and now there's an echo. You got that
Mad. No,
dollar
you're salty,
25
Peterson.
internet.
You can't prove shit, bro. If someone is smart, shouldn't have to go to the homonym to start muting people's microphones, you know?
They're
How
called
crazy
ad
would it be if you
hominems.
let
It's
me
like the
show some
fourth time
evidence?
I've told you what they're
Are you
actually
gonna
called.
let me show you evidence? Or you're gonna keep being a little, small dick white boy and keep muting me. Which one are you gonna do?
Oh, you're racist too.
No, it's not racist. It's just kind of observable, you know. But are you gonna let me show my evidence or no?
No, nobody wants to look at you.
So it's not me, you slowpoke, right? I'm trying to show you evidence to back up that you're totally a moron and you don't know shit about what you're talking about and you Google everything that you do, right? So let me show you some evidence to back up a theory, how much actual math goes behind a theory.
Okay, I promise I won't nom you.
You said you said you're not gonna harm on me?
Yeah, I promise I won't nom you. Do 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 do. Nom do 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 do. Nom do 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 do. Nom.
So hey, Mr. Peterson, have you ever seen this before?
I don't think so.
So this is called the Paul-Rebecca theorem. So this is just math that's based off of the distance, measuring the distance between two objects with gravity, the force of gravity, Real quick, all this math is to come up with a theory, right? You can look at it at Harvard University. This is this Einsteinian theory of relativity based off the regular Paul-Rebecca theory, right? It's supposed to prove Einstein's clock speed of warping of time and space, theoretically. A theory. You're someone that's slow, doesn't know shit, tries to call flat earthers dumb, but you can't back up any of your own evidence, and then you cry and go to ad hominems when you get salty and butthurt. So
Hey,
one
you
more
said
time,
it correctly.
You haven't proved gravity. You haven't proved a gravitational orbit. I showed you I can use a Venn diagram generator to isolate electrostatics to make things levitate, change the speed, change the weight, change the speed, change anything in an element or an object, right? You haven't done shit. So now we're gonna move on. Do you mind trying to prove one?
So you said you were going to show evidence, and what you said was you showed an equation that
to prove how slow you are. This is a bunch of math just to get a theory, you slow butt. This is a theory. All of this shit that you don't even understand. What's F in this equation?
those equations
What's
have
F?
been successfully
What's F?
used in experiments
What
to
is F,
confirm.
Mr. Peterson, what's F?
It's a. I don't know. I've never seen this equation before.
No. So you don't know basic math, right? F is for force, you slow ass fuck, right? So do you know what R is? It's the
Radius?
distance between
Oh,
two
R?
things.
Oh, why is it capitalized?
You don't know shit, but he doesn't know shit. Dude, I'm gonna send this to my friend Enoch, right? Because you're actually very slow and you think you're smart, right? And you call all flat earthers dumb. And he turned off my camera because he's
What's hypertrophic
got
cardiomyopathy?
stop. You got
What's hypertrophic cardiomyopathy? If you don't know a specific esoteric term, then you're stupid. What is it?
usually drop me by now.
What's hypertrophic cardiomyopathy?
I'm kind of impressed, Mr. Peterson.
What's hypertrophic cardiomyopathy?
Give him a kiss. Blow him a kiss. All right, hey, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move away. We're gonna move away from the
You
conversation.
keep trying to get me to have a crush on you. It's not going to happen. Or is that the other guy? I don't remember. You guys blend together.
People, and you can't demonstrate shit. Your science is pseudoscience, non-observable, non-repeatable, nothing that you can isolate. You claim gravity is too weak to isolate, but call it independent.
We know when
force
the
action
next
by the
supermoon
law.
is, and we've done that countless times, so
Hey,
it's repeatable.
BTW, we could dictate supermoons and lunar eclipses before your theory of gravity was even here, you slow fuck. Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know we could do that way before even Newton was alive? Did you know that? No, you didn't know that shit, right? The Egyptians did it.
When?
The Hebrews did it. The Israelites. Everybody did it.
Source.
But then you got Mr. Planet Peterson. No, nobody knew anything until Newtonian
Source.
gravity. All right, real quick. Do you know when the first time they were able to mathematically quantify when they're gonna have another lunar eclipses? Do you know the first time they did it?
Go ahead and tell us.
So another reason you don't know shit, right? This is another example,
So
guys.
what's going to be
Planet
really
Peterson-
funny is my guest here, who has a Dollar Tree perm, is not going to be able to give an answer. When was the first time?
homonyms. Let's go. W flat earth. This kid doesn't know shit. He claims that he lives in a water ball that's spinning 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, which you can't demonstrate that your emotion or the gravity is real. How crazy. Let me try it now. Let me show you some
This
evidence.
dumbass short dick white boy keeps ad homing. The irony, the iron, the fact that you don't see the irony. So what's the answer?
Behold, I present to you gravity from Mr. Planet Peterson on TikTok, who doesn't know shit and gets salty and mutes people. Hey, matter of fact, Peter, I will pay you $100 just to join my fucking live right now. I promise you, you won't. I promise you, you will not join my live. You know why? Because I'm gonna treat you exactly with
A guy that buys Dollar Tree perm kits does not have $100. Plus, I don't need. Unlike you, I don't need $100. You can't afford to give away $100, bro. That's like a year's supply worth of perms. Or not? No, that's a lifetime supply of perms for you. Actually,
$80, yes.
Lifetime supply of perms.
Perms are $80. That's not a year's worth of perms.
You get your kits from Dollar Tree. We've gone over this.
Are you able to afford a razor to line up your beard, Mr. Peterson?
When was the first supermoon predicted? You guys can't hear, well, I can hear. God, it's
Mr.
so
Peterson,
gross. Why does it keep turning its camera on? When was the first supermoon predicted?
So you're not gonna let me show any evidence? How ironic? How ironic?
When was the first supermoon predicted?
How many times have I said I don't?
When was the first?
I don't know. 7 times. Unlike you, I can.
You don't know?
I don't know why the fuck the moon's in the air, but I just.
Okay, so what you did was you asked me when was the first supermoon predicted, and I said I don't know, and you said, "Oh, see, this guy's a dumbass. You don't know when it was. That means you're a dumbass." I think this is called the transitive property. So, any final words?
What I first of all, I don't know if you heard me right. I said
No. Okay, we're done with this.